Okay, so very embarrassingly, I thought I was talking to you guys earlier, but I wasn't. So I'm making this the first clip, and I'm gonna just insert more clips of me talking, but you're not gonna hear anything. That will just be like for footage of me actually doing the braids. I have my hair already done. It's been done for about 2 weeks now, and it needs some refreshing. My hair is such that it gets really messy. Like I have these little short pieces that honestly they've never been long. So that like I consider them to be baby hairs or like fuzzies. So I took down one of the braid. I actually did these two on camera already, but there was no verbal instruction. So instead of doing a voiceover, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how I'm doing the hair. But I'm going to be showing you guys how I separate it. So just think of the size that you want your braid to be, ideally, and then take out that amount of hair and break it into 3 sections. So for feeding, it's typically quite small. You don't want a lot of hair holding on or getting like really bulky. So this is the first piece of hair I'm going to be using. I'm starting off by using some of the red one edge wax. Well, this is not edge wax, it's just hair wax. And applying it to the base of the braid. This helps for you to get a clear, defined, very neat part. I know a lot of people are saying that they get some like scalp flare up or whatever. I mean, to each his own. I don't get any reaction like that, and this is pretty useful for me since I have very wild hair, as I stated. Okay, so today is absolutely not my day. I just thought I was talking to. Let's just move on to the next one. All right, so you applied wax to the base of the hair, and then we want to start off with a few maneuvers. So I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm taking the piece that's in the middle, and that's going to be the anchor for this braid. Alright, so you pass it underneath and you attach it, so one of the pieces of hair will still not have a braid attached to it. 2, 3, 4, 5. And then now I'm going to add in the second piece. So now all 3 strands that we started off with would have an attached piece of synthetic hair, and I'm adding one more. Alright, so I add in all of the braiding hair first, and then I add in my crochet hair. I'm taking one piece. You can use a clip, you can do whatever. This is most convenient for me because I don't want to take my hands off of my braid at all, and we continue braiding down. Now with this technique, we're gonna have a staggered result, meaning one end of the crochet braid is going to be high up on the left, the other is going to be lower down on the right, and that is what we want. So now I'm taking out the second piece and tucking it behind my ear. Again, you can use a clip if you want. I don't want to let go of my braid or like take my other hand away from it for any like excessive amount of time, because I find that this piece was too thin. Now I'm taking from the other strand and continuing to braid down. Depending on the texture of your hair, you may want to continue adding edge wax. You may want to continue adding edge wax down to the end of your hair so that it blends in well with the braid. For now, the braid is yaki texture and it's good enough for me. I don't need to do that, and yeah. Alright, so we've come to the end of the braid, and because it's feathered, we don't have to worry about it unraveling. Alright, so this is what I mean by staggered. Boom. Yeah, one on the left, one on the right. I have one more piece that I'm gonna do on this side. Now I like wearing the hair in the middle part. I don't know. Let me see. Yeah, I think I definitely should do over the parts as well. But that's it. Just the part, the curls at the end, and that's it. Okay, so this is something I spoke about before, but again, you guys did not get to hear it. Is that it's up to your own discretion where you place the boho. So for me, I don't need to place the boho on every single braid. I didn't want it to be like overwhelming around my face. I wanted my face to be framed by the braid, and not like a bunch of hair in my face. So it all depends on how you want it to be done. You can add several pieces of boho to your braid. You can add a lot around your face, or you can restrain from doing that. Also, depending on the thickness and the density of the portion of hair that you're doing. So like for me, around the edges is where I have the thinner, shorter hair. Obviously, I'm not going to add as much hair to that as I would of a like a more strong piece like this. So you have to know your hair and use your discretion. You always want to make sure that the second piece of hair you're adding is being added to the piece of hair on your head that was bare. Alright? You don't want to add too much bulk on the same strands. It's gonna look weird. Yeah. I'm sorry for sweating profusely. The light with the house with the room with the best light also happens to be the room that is absolutely the hottest. So this is the after. This is the before. Alright, so I still have to curl the ends, but it's looking pretty good. I'm just gonna fix a few of the fuzzies, do the other side, and I'll be back.
I need you, boo. I gotta see you, boo. And the hearts all over the world tonight. Said the hearts all over the world tonight. Hey, little mama, ooh, you a stunner. High little figure, yes, you're a winner. And I'm so glad to be yours. You're a class all your own. And ooh, little cutie, when you talk to me, swear my whole world stops. You're my sweetheart, and I'm so glad that you're mine. You are one of a kind, and you mean to me what I mean to you. When together, baby, there is nothing we won't do. Cause if I got you, I don't need money, I don't need cars. Girl, you are all. And oh, I'm into you, and girl, no one else would do. Cause with every kiss and every hug, you make me fall in love. And now I know I can't be the only one. Cause it's hearts all over the world tonight. With the love that they life will feel the way I feel when I'm with you, with you, with you, with you, with you, girl. With you, with you, with you, with you, with you. Oh girl, I don't want nobody else. Without you, there's no one left. And you like Jordans on Saturday. I gotta have you and I cannot wait now. Hey little shawty, say you care for me. You know I care for you. You know that I'll be true. You know that I won't lie. You know that I will try to be your everything, yeah. If I got you, I don't need money, I don't need cars. Girl, you my all. Oh, I'm into you, and girl, no one else would do. Cause with every kiss and every hug, you make me fall in love. And now I know I can't be the only one. Cause it's hearts all over the world tonight. With the love of their life who feel the way I feel when I'm with you, with you, with you, with you, with you, girl. With you, with you, with you, with you, with you. Oh, and I will never try to deny that you were my whole life. Cause if you ever let me go, I would die. So I won't front, I don't need another woman. I just need you all or nothing. Cause if I got that, I will be straight. Baby, you're the best part of my day. I gotta see you, boo. And the hearts all over the world tonight. Say the hearts all over the world tonight. They need a boo. They gotta see you, boo. And it's hearts all over the world tonight. Said it's hearts all over the world. With you, with you, with you, with you, with you. With you, with you, with you, with you, with you. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's amazing how you knock me off my feet. Every time you come around me, I get weak. Oh, na na na, yeah. Nobody ever made me feel this way. Oh, you kiss my lips and then you take my breath away. So I wanna know what turns you on. I wanna know, so I can be all that and more. I like to know what makes you cry. So I can be the one who always makes you smile. Oh, girl, he never understood what you were with. And he never took the time to make it work. No. Baby, I'm the kind of man who shows concern. Yes, I do. Any way that I can please you, let me learn. So, baby, I wanna know what turns you on. I wanna know so I can be all that and more. I'd like to know what makes you cry. So I can be the one that always makes you smile. Yeah. Tell me what I gotta do to please you. Baby, anything you say, I'll do. Cause I only wanna make you happy. From the bottom of my heart, it's true. Tell me what I gotta do to please you. Baby, anything you say, I'll do. Cause I only wanna make you happy. From the bottom of my heart, it's true, it's true. I wish that I could take a journey through your mind. Alright. And find emotions that you always try to hide. I do believe that there's a love you wanna share. Oh, I'll take good care of you, lady, have no fear. So, baby, I wanna know what turns you on. I'd like to know, yeah. So I can be all that and more. I wanna know. I'd like to know what makes you cry. So I can be the one that always makes you smile.
Alright, so this brings us to the end of the video on how to braid. And if you want to see how I go ahead and put in the perm rods and curl my hair, then I'm going to be making another separate video about that. So check it out. Enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm going to be having a lot more videos like this, tutorials on how to do your hair for yourself and to just literally do your makeup, do your own beauty, do your own nails. I kind of fell off the nail bandwagon for a little bit, but I'll be back on, don't worry. So stay tuned for all of those stuff. Thanks for being here. Bye. Oh, I don't remember if I said like, comment, share, subscribe. Don't forget.